Welcome to Quick Tips in Rentman, a new series where we will show you simple ways to get more out of Rentman. Let's start with a common one: updating a lot of equipment at the same time. Say your prices are out of date and you've got hundreds of items to fix before a big quote goes out. You don't have time to edit them one by one. You can export your equipment list to Excel. Change what you need, say the prices, or even the dimensions, and import it back into Rentman. The one thing to keep in your files is the ID column. Every item in Rentman has its own ID, so when you import, it knows exactly which item to update. You can change the name, the price, the description, just leave the ID as it is. Open your equipment list and it's all updated at once. Save this video and try it in Rentman.